A very good morning, students. As we have completed the explanation of chapter 3, today through this video, I will discuss the book exercise of the same chapter. So, student, let us start our exercise. So, student, first section of this exercise is filling the blanks. In this section, first statement is given here. Dash is an effective way to display data in pictorial form. So, the answer will be here chart. Now, next one is data series are the bar or slices that show the dash. So, the answer will be here data values. After that, student, third one is that bar chart display data in the form of the long dash rods. So the answer will be here rectangular. Now, fourth statement, student, dash is the vertical axis that is used to plot the values. So the answer is here y axis. Now, next statement, fifth, dash is the key that is used to identify the color patterns or symbols assigned to a data series. So the right answer is here legend. So student, filling the blanks is now completed here. So student, next section is state true or false. In this section, first statement is given here. You can sort the data only in one field. So that is false, student. Second one is a chart is updated automatically with the change in data. So that is true. Third statement is here, we cannot modify the chart by changing its color and pattern. So this is false statement, student. Now fourth one is that x-axis is the horizontal axis. So that is true. Fifth statement is here, the chart area contain the actual chart itself and include data series, categories and value axis as well. So that is true, student. Now after this, student, application based question is here. In this section, first question is, Kanika is a chartered accountant. She looks after the account of various companies and keep their record in Microsoft Excel. She does not have any idea how to view only those records that she want to see. Suggest her the features of Microsoft Excel using which she can perform this task. So the answer will be here, student. She can use filter features and auto filter command. Now question number 2. Ritu is a student of class 7th. Her geography teacher has asked her to prepare a chart on the population of 4 metro cities of India. Suggest her the best suited chart type for her project. So the right answer will be here, student. Ritu should use bar chart. So now application based question is completed here. After this, student, multiple choice question segment is given. In this segment, first question is here, name the bars or slices that represent the data values on a chart. So option A, data series, is a correct answer here. Now question number 2, which chart type display data in form of circle? So option B, pie, is the correct answer here. Question number 3 now, which function key is used to insert a chart in a worksheet? So the right option is C here, F11. Question number 4 now, name the special window that display data when you insert a chart. So option A, data set is right answer here. Question number 5. Which feature allow us to arrange the given data according to a particular field, either in ascending or descending order? So option B, sort is correct option here. So student, now multiple choice question.